Hi, Mac German Japanese car 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California 91411. Call or text 310-804-4185. I'll meet or beat any eBay price for the exact same item with shipping posted before the video. 2004 to 2007 Volkswagen Touareg front hood, $200. Factory front hood with all attachments, and I would call that color a grayish color. $200. I take credit cards and ship. I do installation and repair. Check me out at maxsgermancar.com or my YouTube channel, the Max Brakeman channel. I'll meet or beat any eBay price for the exact same item with shipping posted before the video. 2004 to 2007 Volkswagen Touareg front factory hood, $200. All attachments included. 310-804-4185. Call or text 310-804-4185. Thank you.